To turn on your Apple Watch, use the side button right below the digital crown. Hold down the side button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. If it's not turning on, keep it on charge for at least 30 minutes. Make sure your Apple Watch charging cable's working. Test it with your MagSafe AirPods, or try charging with that cable. You can also borrow Apple's original cable from a friend or family member and try charging with another one. After it's charged enough, if your Apple Watch doesn't wake up automatically, press and hold the side oval button to force it on in case it's stuck while booting. Still not responding? If you see nothing on screen after charging, try a force restart. Press and hold both the digital crown and the side button together for about 10 to 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears. If it still stays black, keep holding for up to 20 seconds. Sometimes it takes longer when the battery is critically low. Not any success? Then the final solution is to contact Apple support at your nearest Apple store or reach out through call, email, or chat to get a free repair or replacement based on Apple's terms and conditions. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe for new video updates.